This morning I'm hiking up to a Celtic Ringfort called Grianan. It's just outside of Derry in County Donegal. I'm going to hopefully take some aerial shots, and if the light's good I might take the camera out as well. There's a very good view from the top of this hill when we get up here. I believe Grianan Fort, I believe it's over 2,000 years old, but it was reconstructed by the Victorians about 150 years ago. They just found all the stones that had fallen down over the years and then rebuilt it. Okay, I made it to the top. It is extremely windy, so I think I'll still give it a try with the drone, but it's not too bad. It's sort of a crisp, cool morning. Grianan is one of Celtic Ireland's royal sites. It's a hilltop ring fort that was built in the 7th century and was destroyed in a battle in the 11th century. Over time it was left to ruin until it was reconstructed in the 1870s. So this is Grianan, the top of the hill. The views up here are absolutely amazing. Do a 360 so you can have a look. I've got it all to myself this morning. It's great. I was hoping to take some photographs, but the light, it's just too harsh right now. But I did get the drone up and I got a few shots from that. This is one of the aerial still photographs that I took with the drone looking down onto Grianan Fort. This is more of an abstract picture looking straight down onto the ring fort.